wanted to show you some ways that I've been using my DOSCOS baby bottle washer, not just to wash bottles, but it also has some other really great features that make it totally worth purchasing. Now, coming up with a system for washing bottles can be kind of challenging at first because there's so many parts. If you're pumping like multiple times a day, then you're constantly having to wash bottles, and this can get pretty tricky. So here's a few things that I've been doing to make this streamlined. So sometimes I just need to have everything washed with just a little bit of soap and a little bit of water. So what I've been doing is I just put some hot water along with some soap in a little container, and then I give everything a nice soapy rinse. So they recommend that you sanitize your baby bottle parts at least once a day, depending on the age of your baby. But my baby's ready for me to just be hand washing with a little bit of soapy water in between pumps. And then at the end of the day, I'm going to go ahead and put everything into my DOSCOS baby bottle washing machine and give it a good sanitize. So for the washes that are in between that, I'm just going ahead and using some soap and some hot soapy water. Now it's the middle of the day, so I have just washed my baby bottle parts. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this bottle washing machine to actually dry these bottles so that they're not sitting wet. And then also this has been great because sometimes what happens is that you end up having all these little bottle parts all around the kitchen. They don't have a home, and I found that having an actual home for all of these pieces is really, really helpful, because otherwise it just turns into total chaos, and I don't want to have a bunch of chaos. So I'm just going to put the larger pieces in the bottom area there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some of the smaller pieces up top. Now I'm going to cover it. Really love about this DOSCOS brand is that it has these specific features, and then you can like mix and match them to exactly what you need. So I don't have to necessarily do a full washing cycle because I just washed these, but what I can do is I can steam them if I want to sanitize them, and then I can dry them. But even for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and do a dry cycle. So that's not even going to need any water or any tablets or anything like that, but it's going to allow me to store those parts safely in here, free from any contaminants, and then it's going to dry them so that next time I'm ready to use them to pump, then it's ready to go. Now, this DOSCOS brand is actually a very new product that recently was released in just the last few months. It's available for purchase on Amazon, and I'll share a link in the description below. But the reason why I purchased this is because I really needed a machine like this, but I didn't want to spend a premium price. So this was actually a more affordable option that has all these different features that I can mix and match. Another thing is that this one is not as tall as some of the other competing models, and as you can see right here, I have these cupboards, and if this was any taller, like some of the other models I think are actually even a little bit taller, I don't think it would even fit underneath the cabinet, so that would actually become a problem if I wanted to just push this back over there. So I like that this one is the height that it is. It's a little bit more wider this way, but I have room on my counter for that, but I don't really have much clearance up top. So you definitely want to measure your space before you purchase a baby bottle washer, because you want to make sure that it's actually going to fit where you need it to go. Now, the instructions for the DOSCOS brand say to use distilled water in here because there's minerals that are in tap water that can accumulate in any type of steaming device. This also is like my steamer mop, which I've shared videos about my steamer mop before, but for any type of steaming device, you want to use like a filtered or a distilled water. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT if I could go ahead and use my reverse osmosis filtered water here. And ChatGPT said it's only like a couple percentage points less filtered than the distilled water. So instead of 99% filtered as distilled water would be, this is about 95%. So I do feel comfortable using my reverse osmosis water in here, which actually saves me a lot of money because purchasing gallons of distilled water, not only do I not have storage for that, for the like every day running this machine, but being able to just use what I have here is actually going to save me a lot of money. So definitely check out the manual of any type of baby bottle washer that you purchase. And if you already have filtered water, I mean, for me, I'm just going ahead and using the filtered water instead of purchasing distilled bottles. Now, another question people might have is like, why even purchase this type of machine when I have a dishwasher? But as you can see, like a dishwasher is way bigger. So this one is filled with some dirty dishes, but putting all those little tiny baby parts in here, I guess I could probably purchase some sort of little contraption, but I honestly don't really want to wash all the baby bottle stuff with this type of food stuff in here because maybe there's like chicken or some sort of bacteria. So having a dedicated bottle washer is actually really nice to have to make sure that everything is staying clean and sanitized. Now, at the end of the day, I like to do a sanitized full wash of the bottles and the breast pump parts. So I like to use my DOSCOS bottle washing machine, and then they also come with 60 of these detergent tablets. So basically, if you use one a day, that'll last you about 2 months. So it's actually a really great option that they offer with purchasing this. Now, this is so easy to do. Like I mentioned earlier, instead of using distilled water like the manual recommends, I am going ahead and using my reverse osmosis water. That's up to you if you want to follow what the manual says, but I do feel like this is probably going to work out just fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up to the minimum line right here, and then I'm going to put the lid on, and then I'm going to place it into the back of the machine right here, and then all I do is I just take one of these tablets, put it inside, and then I'll show you the rest. Here's what the tablets look like. Just gonna put that in there. Put the lid on. Put the lid on this. Now, I also have my other dishwasher going at the same time, so that's the noise you're hearing there. But you also want to take this tube and make sure that this can drain into the sink. It has suction cups here so that you can easily attach it. That's going to drain all this water into the sink. Now, it's nice because this isn't really that much water. It says it's 2.5 liters, and that's all it takes to wash all the bottles. So it's not like you're going to be using a whole lot of water, but this actually does save me a lot of time and effort. It's just so nice to have a machine that I can just turn on and then push start, and then I know it's taking care of all of the washing, steaming, sanitizing, and drying. So I'm just going to go ahead and push start. And it says it takes 99 minutes, but I have found that the last 50 or 60 minutes is basically the dry time. So in case you did that and then you realized, oh my gosh, I really need something right away, you could just open this up and be able to remove whatever you needed. Oh, and I forgot to just show you kind of how I loaded this. Now, I might have overloaded it, but this is actually just basically I'm trying to do a final rinse. I have washed these by hand earlier today, but as you can see, I just kind of go ahead and throw everything in there because my goal right now is just to sanitize. But you can go ahead and place everything really neatly if you prefer, and maybe not overfill it like this, but honestly I feel confident because I have already hand washed a lot of this today. If I haven't hand washed it, it'd probably be a good idea to make sure everything is nicely spread apart. But as you can see, it has like little places for taller bottles there. It has bigger spots right here for like more of a wider bottle like these ones, and that's it. Okay. I'm going to just go ahead and put that rack there. This is perfect for all those little tiny parts. And I did pause it, which you can do, and then I'm just going to start it again. And here's what it looks like while it's washing. Well, I hope that you found this review helpful. If you were wondering if a baby bottle machine was worth purchasing, I do really believe this was worth purchasing, specifically because it's giving me a place to store everything. It's giving me a way to sanitize, dry, wash, all on demand. I've used this multiple times today just to dry stuff that I hand washed, which is really nice, and I love that it's covered so I don't have to worry about stuff falling into it like dust or debris or anything else that might be floating around the kitchen. So I really do think this was worth it. If you want to purchase the DOSCOS brand, I recommend this one because it is less expensive than the other competing brands. And like I mentioned earlier, the dimensions are better for my kitchen. So check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this one. Those are my affiliate links, which help support my channel. So thank you so much for shopping with my affiliate links. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and check out my Amazon storefront for even more baby gear that I recommend. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.